Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 for Straight Talk. So the iPhone 15 is now here at Straight Talk. It is now available in 4 colors. You guys have pink, black, green, and blue. This is the 128GB version that we're looking at here in this video. Straight Talk do offer all the storage options, so I will have these links down below in the video description, so check those out. So the 128GB iPhone 15 is $829.99 or $829 rather, or it's $34.54 a month for 24 months if you do the monthly financing option and whatnot. So anyways, the iPhone 15 front and back. On the front of the phone, you guys have your cut out there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your alert switch and whatnot. On the back of the iPhone 15 is your dual camera setup, camera flash, Apple logo. There's the front of the phone, your cutout for your dynamic island, and then there's the back of the phone, dual camera setup, camera flash, Apple logo. Right side of the phone, power button, and your antenna for like 5G and stuff like that. iPhone 15 Euphoria. iPhone 15 brings you dynamic island, a 48MP main camera, and USB-C, all in a durable, color-infused glass and an aluminum design. Alright. Specs. Of course, it has 5G, obviously, 5G LTE, Wi-Fi, and whatnot. Display Super Retina XDR display, 6.1 inches OLED display. Dimensions 5.81 inches. Height 2.82 inches width and 0.31 inches depth. Battery, video playback up to 20 hours. Audio playback up to 80 hours. The iPhone 15 weighs 6.02 ounces. Talk time, video time up to 20 hours. Audio playback up to 80 hours. Band, Bluetooth 5.3 camera, advanced dual camera system, 48MP main camera, 10MP ultra wide super high resolution photos, next generation portraits with focus and depth control. A16 Bionic chip, 6-core CPU with 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. Alright. 5-core GPU, 16-core neutral engine. Of course, that's GPS. And the memory is 128 gigs, but Straight Talk do offer all the storage options, so that's pretty cool there. What's in the box is your iPhone 15, of course, your USB-C charging cable. You will need a Type-C charging brick, documentation, and you guys will get an Apple sticker, so that is pretty cool. Features. Dynamic Island comes to iPhone 15. Dynamic Island bubbles up alerts and live activities so you don't miss them while you're doing something else. You can see who's calling, check your next ride, check your flight status, and so much more. Innovative design. iPhone 15 features a durable color-infused glass and aluminum design. It's flash, water, and dust resistant. The ceramic shell front is tougher than any smartphone glass. Apple says that shit every year. The 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display is up to 2 times brighter in the sun compared to iPhone 14. 48MP main camera with 2 times telephoto. The 48MP main camera shoots in super high resolution, so it's easier than ever to take standout photos with amazing detail. The 2 times optical quality telephoto lets you frame the perfect close-up. Next generation portraits. Capture portraits with dramatically more detail and color. Just tap to shift the focus between subjects even after you take the shot. Powerhouse A16 Bionic chip. The super fast chip powers advanced features like computable photography, fluid dynamic island transitions, and voice isolation for phone calls. And A16 Bionic is incredibly efficient to help deliver great all-day battery life, USB-C connectivity that is new to the iPhone 15 line. The USB-C connector lets you charge your Mac or iPad with the same cable you use to charge iPhone 15. You can even use your iPhone 15 to charge Apple Watch or AirPods. Vital safety features. If your car breaks down when you're off the grid, you can get help with roadside assistance via satellite. And if you need emergency services and you don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, you can use emergency SOS via satellite. With crash detection, iPhone can detect a severe car crash and call for help if you can't. Designed to make a difference, iPhone comes with privacy protections that help keep you in control of your data. It's made from more recycled materials to minimize environmental impact, and it has built-in features that make iPhone more accessible to all. Comes with the Apple Care warranty. Every iPhone comes with a 1-year limited warranty and up to 90 days of complimentary technical support. Get Apple Care Plus or Apple Care Plus with death and loss to extend your coverage. So yeah. There you guys have it. The iPhone 15 is now here at Straight Talk. Straight Talk do have all the storage options, so I will have those links down below, so check the description for different storage options and stuff like that. So yeah, it has it in full color. It's a very nice looking phone. If you guys don't want to pay a whole lot if you guys don't want to pay over $1,000 for an iPhone, you know the iPhone 15 can be worth taking a look at here. It has the dynamic island feature, which is new to the lower end iPhones this year, and it also has Type-C, which is new to all iPhones this year. So yeah, $829 full retail price, not bad, you know. Check it on out. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.